Hey there. Have you ever sat there staring at your phone wondering why the woman who lights up your world hasn't sent you a single message? You're sure she's into you? Her smiles, her glances, her energy, they all seem to say she likes you. So why the silence? It's frustrating, isn't it? But don't worry. Today we're diving deep into the psychology behind her hesitation. By the end of this video, you'll see things from a whole new perspective, and you'll know exactly what's going on. 1. Fear of rejection, the silent barrier. Let's start with a truth not often spoken. Women feel the fear of rejection just as much as men do. If she likes you but senses even the tiniest hint that her feelings might not be reciprocated, she might hold back. No one enjoys the sting of vulnerability, the raw feeling of putting yourself out there only to be turned down. It's human nature to protect ourselves, and this is her way of doing that. What to do? If you suspect she's holding back because of fear, take the first step. A friendly text or a simple, thoughtful call can do wonders. Let her know you're interested. It might just be the reassurance she needs to overcome her hesitation. 2. The weight of societal expectations. Here's the thing. Society has long conditioned women to believe that men should take the lead in relationships. Even in today's modern world where dating dynamics have shifted, these traditional expectations often linger in the background. She might be waiting for you to make the first move, not because she's uninterested, but because she's been taught that's how it's supposed to work. What to do? Break the ice. Show her you're interested and that it's perfectly okay for her to express her feelings too. You'll not only ease her doubts, but also set the tone for a more open and honest connection. 3. The interest test. Are you really into her? Here's a classic scenario. She pulls back, just slightly, to see how much effort you're willing to put in. It's not about playing games. It's about figuring out if you're genuinely interested or if she's just another option for you. Women value effort. To her, your persistence, within reason, signals that you're serious about her. What to do? If you truly like her, don't be afraid to show it. A little consistency and persistence can go a long way. Actions speak louder than words, so let her see your effort. 4. Life's chaos. It's not always about you. Sometimes her lack of communication has nothing to do with you. Life can be overwhelming. Work deadlines, family obligations, personal challenges. Even if she's really into you, these things can consume her time and energy, leaving little room for texting or calls. What to do? Be patient. Give her space while letting her know you're there when she's ready. A simple, supportive message like, "I hope everything's okay, just know I'm here for you," can mean the world to someone navigating a hectic life. 5. Fear of appearing too eager. Many women worry about coming across as overly eager or desperate. It's a delicate balance, especially if she's unsure about how you feel. What to do? Reassure her. A simple compliment like, "I love hearing from you," can make her feel more comfortable reaching out. It's amazing how a little encouragement can go a long way in easing her fears. 6. Mixed signals. Are you confusing her? If your behavior has been inconsistent, showing interest one day and being distant the next, it could leave her unsure about how you really feel. This uncertainty might make her hesitate to reach out. What to do? Consistency is key. If you like her, show it in your actions and words. Mixed signals can push her away, but a steady, clear interest can draw her closer. 7. Emotional baggage. The shadows of her past. Sometimes her hesitation has nothing to do with you but with the scars of her past. Heartbreaks, toxic relationships, or unresolved trauma can make her cautious, even if she really likes you. What to do? Be patient. Let her open up at her own pace. Rushing her or pressing for more than she's ready to give can backfire. Instead, focus on building trust and showing her that she's safe with you. 8. Compatibility. Concerns. Is this the right match? Here's a tough pill to swallow. She might like you, but still be evaluating whether you're truly compatible. She could be analyzing your values, goals, and lifestyle to determine if there's potential for a deeper connection. What to do? Be authentic. Share your values, interests, and long-term goals openly. Let her see the real you. It'll help her envision the possibility of a meaningful relationship. So there you have it. The top reasons why she might not be contacting you, even though she really likes you. Understanding her hesitation is the first step to bridging the gap. Now it's time to take action. Be confident, patient, and most importantly, genuine. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about your thoughts or experiences. Let's keep this conversation going.